In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot for automation. If you want to save time by automatically handling tasks, emails, and customer follow-ups, HubSpot's automation tools can make your workflow much more efficient. First, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the automation menu at the top. From there, select Workflows. On the Workflows page, click the Create Workflow button to get started. Next, choose a workflow type based on your goal. For example, you can create a workflow that sends automated emails when a contact fills out a form, updates contact properties, creates tasks, or assigns leads to team members. After selecting a workflow type, set the enrollment triggers. These are the conditions that determine when a contact enters the workflow. Then add the actions you want HubSpot to perform automatically, such as sending an email, updating a property, or creating a task. Once your workflow is configured, review the settings and test it to make sure everything works as expected. When you're ready, turn the workflow on by clicking Review and Publish or Turn On depending on your account version. HubSpot will now automatically perform the actions you've set whenever the workflow conditions are met, helping you streamline your marketing, sales, and customer service processes. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel